What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to connect your Bitget wallet with the Hamster Kombat application. For that the process is very simple and easy. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. In order to do so, all you have to do is to go to the airdrop section in the bottom left corner and then go to the Unchain airdrop. In the Unchain airdrop, go to the connect airdrop button and then go to view all wallets. In the view all wallets option, go to the Bitget wallet and then select the Bitget app. Open it up and you will be redirected to connect wallet option. Wait until the app loads. So once the app is loaded, you will see that all you have to do is to approve via the authentication process. So once you've done that, you will be redirected to connect your wallet. All you have to do is to approve it. So once you approve it, you will be redirected to Hamster application, and that way you can sell the coins on the Bitget app or your do the exchange on Bitget app. That is that simple. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.